price of Bitcoin is still on the up today, having shot up in value by almost half over the past week. One Bitcoin is now worth about $11,500, but 7 days ago it was valued at just over $8,000. Litecoin has also increased in price by more than 50% in the last week to reach a new price of more than $240, with Ethereum recording a smaller increase to hit $950. Ripple enjoyed a smaller rise in price and is now sitting at $1.14. The continued crypto bounce back comes as U.S. lawmakers consider new rules or laws to govern the notoriously volatile digital money markets. Both Republicans and Democrats think action is needed to address the risks posed by virtual currencies to investors and the financial system. Even free market Republican conservatives, normally wary of government red tape, said regulation could be needed if cryptocurrencies threaten the American economy. There's no question about the fact that there is a need for a regulatory framework, said Republican Senator Mike Rounds, a Senate Banking Committee member. Carolyn Maloney, a Democratic senior member of the House Financial Services Committee, is another lawmaker advocating for direct oversight of digital assets by the SEC. A lot of people don't realize there's nothing backing these virtual currencies, she said. Virtual currencies have existed for years, but speculation in them has recently ballooned, along with scams promising investors returns of over 1,000% in weeks. In a time of volatile markets, hackers are also active in the sector, stealing $530 million of digital currency from Japanese exchange CoinCheck last month. To view this video, please enable JavaScript, and consider upgrading to a web browser that supports HTML5. Video Bitcoin, the best-known virtual currency, lost over half its value earlier this year in a cryptopocalypse, after surging more than 1,300%. We have to look carefully at all of the cryptocurrencies and make sure individuals don't get taken advantage of, said Representative Tom MacArthur, a House Financial Services Committee Republican. Regulators globally have raised the alarm over cryptocurrencies, saying they may aid money laundering and terrorist financing, hurt consumers and undermine trust in the global financial system. France and Germany want cryptocurrencies on the agenda for the upcoming G20 meeting of the largest advanced and developing economies. Conservative Republicans also recognize the potential for broader risks. I'm a total free marketer, so I don't want to regulate, said Republican Representative Dave Bratt, a member of the conservative House Freedom Caucus. But if it's a currency that could destabilize the whole economy, you're going to have that conversation, he said. Yesterday, cryptocurrency investors were warned they could lose their life savings at any time due to the volatility of the digital money markets. Vitalik Buterin, the 24-year-old Russian boy genius who invented Ethereum, fears that anyone who plows their cash into virtual currencies could be ruined in an instant.